Imagine a scenario where you are going inside an Apple store and you have 70,000 rupees in your pocket, and you see there is a two option for you. You can either get all new MacBook Neo or you can get an iPad Air M4. But what device is the perfect choice for you? Let's figure out that in this video. Hi, my name is Harsh and you are watching Unboxing Guru. If you are here for the first time, so make sure to like this video and hype up my channel so you can get more such kind of videos in the future. So first, let's talk about the money and how much you are going to spend on each of the devices. So if you're opting for an iPad Air M4, it will cost you around 65,000 rupees in India. And if you compare that with MacBook Neo, you will see that you are saving up to 5,000 rupees. And it sounds pretty good deal, right? But it's not, because if you're getting an iPad, you don't get keyboard and a stylus to work on it. And if you're opting for an Apple Pencil and Apple keyboard, you are looking around 85,000 to 90,000 rupees price bracket if you're buying this whole combo. And on the other hand, if you're buying MacBook Neo, you're spending only 70,000 rupees, where you will get the inbuilt keyboard and inbuilt trackpad to make your work life more easier and make it more user friendly. So in terms of money, the right and perfect choice for you will be 70,000 rupees spending on MacBook Neo, because it is giving you more option to use your device more perfectly, and there's no issue about accessories in the MacBook Neo. Now the second most important point about this conversation is the price to value ratio, where you will see that MacBook Neo offers only A18 Pro chipset, which you have been using in your smartphone like iPhone 16 Pro. But on the other hand, you see iPad Air with M4 chipset, which will give you flagship type of performance, but without Mac OS. So the real question is, which one is the perfect choice for you between both the devices? And to answer this question, there's a harsh reality that specs doesn't matter in both the devices. Where iPad has flagship M4 chipset, but you can't use those performance cores as much as possible. You can use them on a laptop. Whereas you can see that MacBook Neo only has A18 Pro chipset, but you can easily do video editing, or you can open 20 Chrome tabs easily and even do whatever kind of task you want to do on Apple Mac OS. So the simplest answer for the performance will be that iPad has the M4 chipset, but it still can't use its powers because of its OS. Whereas in MacBook Neo has A18 Pro chipset, but it has a proper Mac OS system, so you can draw out more productivity from a MacBook Neo. Now the third point comes on the usage of both the devices. If you have your iPad, you can use it anywhere inside your home or an office, or you are going to on a trip, you can take it anywhere. Just detach your keyboard and it becomes a tablet which you can use anywhere. But be honest, would you really use your iPad as a main device for your work life and for entertainment purposes? I don't think so. If you have an iPad, you will use them as an entertainment purpose more than your proper work. But if you'll get a MacBook Neo, it will boost your productivity, and it has a proper dedicated keyboard and mouse trackpad, so you need to sit down and use it properly whenever you are doing some kind of work. So in terms of usage, I think iPad gives you more versatile options. You can use it anywhere, but MacBook Neo strictly needs to be sitting down and use it on a proper desk, and it gives you proper productivity vibe. Now let's talk about the fourth point, ports and practicality of both the devices. On MacBook Neo, you will get two USB Type-C ports. You can use these both ports for charging, for connecting extra accessories, and you can connect extended monitors without getting any extra dongles. But on the other hand, if you're using an iPad, you'll need an extra dongle to connect any of the other accessories like extended monitors, and want to connect a USB pen drive or anything else while charging your device. So the honest answer about this practicality is that MacBook Neo offers you more practical solutions, whereas if you're using an iPad, you need to carry an extra dongle and extra accessories everywhere wherever you go and take your iPad with you. Now lastly, let's talk about who should get iPad or who should get MacBook Neo. So if you're a person who types a lot, who wants to do coding, who wants to only spend 70,000 rupees and want to experience full dedicated computer type vibe, you should go for MacBook Neo. But if you're someone who draws professionally for money and want to use your iPad for entertainment and chill purpose, and if you have a laptop and want a second device, then you should go for iPad M4. So lastly, the simplest answer will be if you're a student, if you are someone who is looking for daily usage of laptop, and if you're a person who just want the best value pick, then for all these answers, you should get MacBook Neo. So I hope this video made things clear between both the devices and their work. So do let me know what do you think about both the devices and which one you are going to pick in this back to school Apple sale. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.